Voila! I am so pleased to introducing the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock Plus Wi-Fi Bridge, a revolutionary 7-in-1 keyless entry door lock with Fingerprint ID and app remote control. Experience convenience and security like never before. Unlock your door with ease using your fingerprint or the app, ensuring a seamless entry and exit experience. Stay informed with the log feature that tracks entries and exits, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Encounter the reliability of the technical support team, always ready to assist you in case of any issues. Enjoy the auto lock feature that ensures your home's security, giving you the confidence that your house is always protected. Experience the convenience of the auto unlock mode, a unique feature that sets this product apart. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional keys and embrace the future of smart home security. Innovate your home security with the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock Plus Wi-Fi Bridge. Embrace the freedom of keyless entry and the peace of mind that comes with advanced Fingerprint ID technology. Upgrade to a smarter, more secure lifestyle today. Please click the link in the description below to get more discount and detail of the product. Cheers!